Isn't that sweet? While his mum goes and does a bit of wild swimming, he gets to go too in the boat behind them, pulled along while she's swimming. So sweet. Wroxham gets its name from rock, meaning buzzard, and ham, meaning village. So Wroxham means the place where buzzards are. Church Lane, which is where Caen Meadow is actually situated, was once the main village street. There used to be riverside cottages along this stretch of river, just where the stave is. It's to the left of where I'm filming though, just out of shot. In this meadow are some benches for people to sit on and watch the boats go past. But at the top behind here, in the meadow, there used to be an abbey apparently. This is Ra, the solar-powered boat trip that goes from Houghton Riverside out to Beela, that sort of area, and then back again. I've been on it and filmed it, and it's absolutely beautiful. If you look carefully, you can see some grey fur, and that is actually a squirrel fast asleep on the branch of the tree. He's just woken up. just like to thank the people who have gifted to me in this last week via the super thanks button. It's very much appreciated. Thank you very much to Andrew and Barry. It's been a while since I last filmed here, so I hope you've enjoyed being back. I'd like to thank you all for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful bank holiday weekend and that you are out somewhere not having to work on Bank Holiday Monday. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye for now.